What's up everyone, my name is Mark and I am from OmniView Tech, Canada's only DJI experience store as well as authorized DJI retail. So today we are going to be doing a review on DJI Mavic Air 2. So as you can see, I have the Mavic Air 2 here. I actually have the Fly More combo here with me. So today we're going to be showing you guys the drone a little bit, taking it for a quick flight, as well as showing you guys what's in the combo. Okay, so if you're looking for something with high-end drone features, but at a mid-range price point, then look no further than your Mavic Air 2. Why? As you can see, the Mavic Air 2 basically has a lot of the Mavic Mini features, but it has roughly the same size and weight as the Mavic Air. Okay, so that would be it right there. It's got a bigger battery, but since what I have here is the Fly More combo, you will have 1, 2, and 3 batteries. You also have the charging hub. Okay. Over here, you've got the travel adapter, which comes with a power plug. You got the battery to power bank adapter. You got that here. Now, you may notice that I have the remote here, right? Some of you guys have seen photos, but essentially, this remote here kind of gives you the same feel and look as a smart controller. Now, what you'll also notice is it's not foldable, it's just one piece, and the phone or the tablet would go on top, and you have the cable sticking out right from here. You lose the buttons in the back, but you still have a lot of the same similar buttons in the side and the front. You'll also notice you got tripod, normal, and sport mode. Check that out. Okay. Aside from that, in this combo, you will also get 3 pieces, right, or 3 set of ND filter. So the ND filter you'll get here is the ND16, ND64, and ND256. So the great part about this is you don't have to buy it separately. You get that within this combo. You'll also get 3 full sets of propellers. So if those of you guys that go through that, you'll have quite a bit. You'll have enough here. Okay. Gimbal protector, standard in any box. You'll also have the essential cables. Right. You'll have 3 of them. You'll have the USB-C charging cable, and of course, don't forget the important part: the travel bag. You can hold it from the side. You have the shoulder bag here, your shoulder strap. It's got quite a bit of space inside, but basically you can fit everything inside here. You also have a little bit of a pocket in the front. Okay. So that's going to be what's included in the Fly More combo. And now we're going to go for a flight. Okay. Hey everyone, we've just charged the batteries, activated the drone, and did the calibrations for the new DJI Mavic Air 2. Now it's time to arm the motors. We are now about to take our maiden flight with the Mavic Air 2. So in this case, DJI actually decided that we'll be using the Fly app, while the previous Mavic Air was using the DJI Go4 app. Now it's available on both the App Store and Play Store. Now it did have an option to do an auto takeoff. However, for the purpose of this video, I wanted to see how responsive these controls are. The first thing I noticed is the noise. It is much quieter than the current Mavic Air. There is an immediate difference in the level of noise that the Mavic Air 2 puts out. So if that's one of your main concerns as a drone pilot and you'd like to be more discreet, this is definitely a big plus for you. If you've owned the previous Mavic Air, you definitely know that it does make a bit of noise. Well, let's thank DJI for listening to our needs. If you haven't already noticed, they've added 1 extra mode in comparison to the previous Mavic Air. DJI decided to throw in the tripod mode. This wasn't previously available in the Mavic Air as it only had P mode, that's position, and sport mode, that's S mode. They've also changed P mode to normal mode for this release. So if you're not too familiar with tripod mode, the main purpose of the mode is to help with gimbal stabilization as well as turn on obstacle avoidance sensors. Aside from those two, it also slows down the actual limit or the actual speed of the drone. What DJI did was took the idea from the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Mini. In the Mini, it's also known as C or semi-smooth mode, and included it for this release. Hey guys, Mark here again. So guess what? I just finished flying the Mavic Air 2. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. So with this drone, what DJI has actually done was took different features from different drones and different platforms and they slapped all of it right on this drone. What do I mean by that? So for example, the remote controller, let me start off with that. You got the different modes right in front of you. It's very easily accessible, right? You have the feel, the control, the way it looks, just the grip. Overall, with the controls, it's very responsive. So that's a big plus, right? And everything's very accessible, and you have the screen right in front of you. So it kind of has that DJI kind of smart controller look and feel. Okay. You also got the drone. The main one I would say is the 4K 60 frames. Okay. With 4K 60 frames, they took that from the Phantom, slapped that right on this drone. It's right here. You also got the higher end video format, right? So H.265, right? You're able to shoot at a higher compression. At the same time, you also have the HDR features. So they took 3 different HDRs and they put it right here on the Mavic Air 2. You've got the photo HDR, which can do 48 megapixel super resolution. Okay. You also have the video HDR that can shoot at 30 frames. You also have the panoramic HDR. Okay. So all those 3 HDR functions are all right here. You also have the extended battery life, guys. 3,500 milliamp hours versus the older Mavic Air, you got 2,375. Okay, so it's a 61% improvement in flight time. Now, with this battery charger, right, the charging hub, it is sequential, so you will have to charge them one by one when you plug it in, but you have 3 of them, okay, on the Fly More combo. You also have the focus track. The focus track gets you 3 different advanced tracking features. They've combined it into one, and they called it the focus track. So this is a new feature, only currently available in the Mavic Air 2, okay? You've got the Spotlight 2.0, you have the After Track 3.0, which came from the Osmo Ronin series. You also have the Point of Interest 3.0, which was an upgrade version from the Mavic 2. So you've got different features. The 48 megapixel, again, that came from the Zoom. You also have the Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems, APAS 3.0, right? That's good for pre-flight mapping and for your missions, okay? So that will help you when it comes to planning things out ahead of time. The OcuSync 2.0, that's a big one as well. They've extended the range a bit. That's just for reliability, not for distance. So now you go from 8 to 10 kilometers. Now keep in mind, guys, you still have to fall within line of sight, right, per regulations. So this is mainly just so that you get better signal from your remote to your drone. You get a clearer view, you have less interruptions, less distortion, and you also have more reliability, okay? Overall, what my reaction is and my review on the drone itself, you are getting all kinds of flagship and high-end features all in one drone at a mid-range price point. So if you guys have any questions, just reach out. My name is Mark. I am from OmniView Tech. If you guys have any inquiries, just reach out at omniviewtech.ca. Okay? Thanks, guys, and have a good one. I hope you enjoyed this video.